Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter The Blackwood House. Blackwood House is a story of a house. Blackwood House is play written by G.C. Thomley. The theme of the story is surprise endings. The story revolves around a doctor, Dr. Norton, who wants to buy a house. The estate agent, Mr. Cooper, discourages him as the house is believed to be haunted. The story has three scenes and characters. There are two characters. One is Mr. Cooper, second is Dr. Norton. Mr. Cooper is an estate agent and Dr. Norton is who wants to buy a house. Now I am explaining the story scene wise. In scene first, in the morning, the time is about 10 o'clock. Dr. Norton walks in the office of Mr. Cooper, an agent office which is in Overwood. In this office, there are several notices about houses and shops for purchase and sale. Dr. Norton goes then to buy a house in Overwood to live and work, but its cost should be low. Mr. Cooper's wants and ideas of price. Dr. Norton thought to spend about £2,000 or a little more. Mr. Cooper told him that most of the houses cost more than £6,000. But there is a Blackwood house. It is only for £1,000. It is in good state, but there are some strange stories about the house. The owner of the house, Mrs. Worley, died in the house 2 years ago. She was not a happy woman, but she loved Blackwood House. People say that she comes back in the night to visit her old home. She always wore a white dress when she was alive, as people call her White Visitor. After listening this story, Dr. Norton says that he doesn't believe in this story and wants to visit that house. He is interested in his story. Both of them go out together to visit the house. Now, scene second. Scene second. In part 1, we have read about Blackwood House. Dr. Norton was interested to buy it. Mr. Cooper and Dr. Norton go out together to visit this house. Now in scene second, they came back to the office after an hour. Dr. Norton likes the house, but Mr. Cooper insists him to think about another house. But Dr. Norton wants only Blackwood House and asks about its owner. Mr. Cooper replies that Mrs. Worley and Mr. Worley, Mrs. Worley's brother, who lives in London. Mr. Cooper discourages him to buy that house because of White Visitor. He tries to threaten him about the White Visitor. But Dr. Norton wants to stay in this house for one night before buying it. That night is next Tuesday night. If he wants see any white visitor, then he will buy this house for 1000 pounds. He has a small bed and a small lamp. Mr. Cooper was not agree with this, but in last he agrees. Now, scene third. In scene third, Dr. Norton was reading on bed in Blackwood House. It was almost 12 o'clock at night. He hears a sound first outside the bedroom door. The door opens slowly, and someone dressed in white stands at the end of the room. The visitor says to Dr. Norton, "This is my house. Leave this house now." Dr. Norton jumps out of the bed and pulls the white cloth from the visitor's face and found Mr. Cooper. He was surprised. Dr. Norton asks the reason to do that. Mr. Cooper wants to buy Blackwood House for himself, but he has only 200 pounds and he will take a loan from bank of 600 pounds, but house is for 1000 pounds. Mr. Cooper wants the house for 800 pounds. He spread the stories of white visitor that price should be come down. Dr. Norton promised that Dr. Norton promises not to tell the truth to anyone and he will buy the Blackwood house. Thank you.